Startup Weekend is a 54-hour startup experience where people come in and optionally share their business concept or a problem that they have. Kicks off on Friday night where people will meet each other, network around over dinner, and then we come together and we start on some of the exercises so that they can start thinking creatively. People then share their idea in up to a 60-second pitch, and probably half of the participants typically pitch or share an idea. And teams are formed around those most voted on ideas. And then they immediately get started working and they start identifying what problem are we solving this weekend. And then on Saturday we come back together and we teach them, and the participants learn how they can go out and talk to people to quantify who else in the world has this problem. And then on Sunday night, all the teams come together again about 5 p.m. for dinner, and then we start just a quick 4 or 5 minute pitch to a panel of judges, and they select the first, second, third place ideas out of all the 8 to 15 ideas that are shared throughout the weekend. It's a lot of learning, it's very fast paced, which is exciting for everybody, but it's a lot of pressure to make some real results happen in about 54 hours.
Total super. Ansonsten sind die Erwartungen total übertroffen worden. Ich bin nicht davon ausgegangen, dass wir uns groß platzieren.
Ich würde es auf jeden Fall weiterempfehlen, hierher zu gehen. Es war sehr intensiv, ich habe extrem viel gelernt.
Ich habe sehr, sehr viel gelernt, unglaublich nette Menschen kennengelernt, auch viele Coaches, die wirklich sich viel Zeit genommen haben.
Viele Leute kennengelernt und das war es auf jeden Fall wert. Also ich würde jedes Mal wieder herkommen.